Let's continue with 3D beam reinforcement. Now you can draw the longitudinal bars. Go to Bar Shape command again. Choose the Freeform type from the drop-down menu. Set the diameter to 12. Concrete cover to 3 cm. Note that you can define all these settings directly on the sketch above, simply by clicking on the desired parameter. Input longitudinal bar in section 2.2 from the lower starting point to the lower end point of the beam. You can continue drawing the freeform bar in any direction. When you want to stop inputting points, just press the Escape key. Now place the label. Check all the label content and position it on the desired location. Next step is to place the reinforcement in other cross-section. So zoom on the cross-section 1.1. To place this longitudinal bar inside stirrup, you can use a special command in Input Option window called Segment. This command will automatically place the bar inside the selected stirrup segment. You do not need to think about concrete cover and the diameter of stirrup. It is only important to click on the appropriate segment of the stirrup on which the longitudinal bar will be placed. Now you can change some properties in Palette. You can leave the layer and component factors to 1. If you set it to 2, you will get double the quantity of reinforcement in that reinforcement layer or component. For example, if you have 30 identical columns and want to draw reinforcement for only one of them, but get their quantity for 30 columns, change the component factor from 1 to 30. Here we are going to define 3 bars with spacing of 7 cm. Alpan is asking for placing the segment again, because sometimes it will be necessary to place the same bars in more cross-section. Press the Escape key to exit the command, because we do not need to place this bar in another location. Next step is to place the label. From drop-down menu, you can choose the desired label type. We can choose the fan option. Check Label Content and place it on the desired location. You can click on the label afterwards and go to the Properties palette. Here you can define all the properties of the label and change everything accordingly. Change the size of the text, for example. Every change you make is automatically displayed in 2D and 3D viewport. You can easily copy and mirror these longitudinal bars to the upper zone. Also, you can copy the outer bars to the half height of the beam. Now, select the middle bars and change their diameter. Due to this change, the bars were given a new mark number and new color representing the new mark. Each position has a different color. Color assignment by position can be set in Options, Animation tab, Representation of Engineering Element section, and then click on Assign Color for bar reinforcement. You can simply change the mark number color by selecting a different color from the drop-down menu. Click on OK and change is applied. Place the labels for the rest of the bars in the cross-section. Thank you for your time and see you in the next video tutorial.